I'm on vacation. But vacation didn't start off very well. No. Actually, my vacation started yesterday morning. But it didn't start off well. My wife had an accident. Before we get into that, let me show you a beautiful covered bridge. And we're going to get some creek. We're going to get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And then we'll get on what happened and what my plans are for the rest of the vacation. I am down here at Guilford Covered Bridge. And in a little bit, I'm going to tell you exactly how many covered bridges we have in the state of Indiana. Okay, there is 98 historical covered wooden bridges. Honest to God, I was thinking it was a whole bunch less. But if I'm not mistaken, the state of Indiana, and please quote me if I'm wrong, may have the most covered bridges, if I'm not mistaken. And Kitt is pulling me like you would not believe. Okay, let me tell you what happened to Angie. And by the way, I am here with my wife and my youngest son. He is getting pictures as I get beauty and making a video. You know how we do. Okay, yesterday morning, roughly about, I'm guessing 4 o'clock in the morning, my wife rolls out of bed. Comes tumbling down right on her kneecap. Okay, I had to end that clip a little bit on the quick side because I'm ordering my wife to sit over here. Yes, I'm ordering her, yeah, to sit at the picnic table because I don't want her to try to go to the creek with her knee. Her knee is very much black and blue. She is able to walk on it. So that's why we are not fishing today, and that's why we didn't fish yesterday. Very possible we might fish tomorrow. Today would have been the perfect day to fish. It would have been, because it's gone a little bit on the cool side. Oh, trust me, next week is going to be hot. Oh my God, but it's a little bit on the cool side. Kitt, stay. So when it's a little cool like this, fish bite like crazy. But I made the judgment call. Let's give it. Let her do a little bit more waltzing, because from here, we're going to Batesville. We'll get to that if I don't forget at the end of the video. Now, let me show you where we're going. We are headed to the creek. All right, let's go on down. This is why I didn't want Angie to come with me. I don't want her taking this hill. I've said this enough times, but this little creek right here brings back memories of my mother and my father. When I was a little boy, we're talking little, we used to come down here and Mom used to weigh in the water. That's right. Ain't allowed doing that today. Oh, heck no. But back then in the 70s, you was allowed to do that. Yeah. Used to come down here and we all would wade through the water. I got video of Mr. Kitt here once before. Let's see if he gets in the water without even thinking. He did the last time he was here. Come on. Go on. Come on, kid, come on. A little wet. You water dog. Come on, Bubby, come on. Oh, I love it. Now, fishing is definitely permitted here, but unless it's up the creek that way, or, Kitt, stay still, Bubby. Way down the creek that way. Right through here is not really deep enough. But then again, it could be. It could very well be. Okay, I'm going to catch up with my son and see what he thinks. I'm hoping he gets some really decent pictures down here. Oh, my Lord. I used to bring all kinds of animals down here, actually. I was going to say I used to bring Stormy down, which I have multiple times. But I also brought my dog, Beth, I had down here, too. As a matter of fact, my dog, Boots, I brought her down here. It's just a great place to go to get away from things and walk the creek bed. I always thought that was a railroad track over yonder there, but it's not. It's a little bridge going over somewhere. There's a lot of good spots to get video and pictures over there, but I can never figure out how to get over there unless I walk through the water. But we're gonna go down here, probably underneath this bridge. We're gonna catch up with Damien, see how he's doing. Don't know if you can see Angie up there, but I do feel bad for her. Honey, I don't want you coming down the hill at all. Be too much pressure on that knee. You want to see the water? That's mighty fine. Just be careful. Don't go over yonder underneath the bridge.
I won't go anywhere near the hill.
Okay, I'm going to take your word on that. Okay. See, this is about our luck. I do everything. Kitt, stay. Stay. I've done everything under my power to make sure things will go off to a smooth start for vacation. And the very next morning, my wife slides out of bed, bam, down on her kneecap right on the floor. It could have been worse. Her kneecap is black and blue like you will not believe. It even swelled up. Yeah, we wasn't sure if we was going to have to go to urgent care or not. But after looking it over, she's able to walk on it. There wouldn't be much they could do at urgent care. We just got to let it heal up on its own. One of the prettiest sceneries right here is underneath this bridge. Holy, it is gorgeous through here. Every time we come here, we're always by ourselves too. Right over there is what's left of the old bridge that went across here many years ago. Now, we've walked it all the way back as far as we can, but we don't know how far back there it changes over to private property. Plus, walking on all this loose rock would be very difficult for anybody to begin with, but with a busted up knee, nah. I told my son going down here and go back to where Angie's at and keep her company, and he gives me pictures he wants. But yeah, that's how our vacation started off, with a injury. Now, what's that mean for the, let's see, we will have, today is Monday. Today is Monday, yes. So we have Tuesday, Wednesday, well, we have all the way to Sunday, the vacation. What's that mean? Now, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is going to get pretty darn hot. But the rest of the week, we can fish. If my wife feels up to it. She kind of felt up to it today. But I was like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and we come here to the covered bridge, let them get some pictures. Yeah, we've been wanting to come here for a while, but the road's closed, so we had to come in the back way. And from here, we would go to Batesville because we was out there yesterday. And we found a fishing spot we did not know existed. There was no video done yesterday, but they will be today. Because from here, we're headed back out there, but you won't see that video probably until Friday. And here's another way out of here, but I got to make sure because once upon a time, I came out this way once before, and Stormy ended up with a lot of burrs on her. Oh, yeah. What do you think, Kitt? Want to try it? I say let's try it. If you get, now, you being short hair, maybe the burrs won't be that bad. I ain't worried about the fleas or ticks because you're on medicine for that. But yeah, this is the other way to get out of here. And there's my wife. Let's go keep her company. As I'm walking through here, I hold the camera on this side. Come on, Kitt. I hold the camera just like this, so we get a shot of the creek from up here. And slowly pan it on down. Pan it on down. I think the last time we was here, which was in October, was where I did that Halloween story at. About the bathroom. Now, 31 of the covered bridges here in the state of Indiana are in Park County. That's above Indianapolis. That's a lot of them there.
Mm-hmm. They have like
Holy.
8 in just a loop.
So your knee feeling okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna do some fishing tomorrow, maybe?
Yeah.
If you feel up to it, okay?
Could have done fishing today.
I know we could have, honey. But I want to give you another day. Here comes Dame. But yeah, that's how our vacation started off, y'all. With an injury. That's okay, though. Because, yesterday we went for a long ride. And we're going back to the same place we was at yesterday. So I want to get some video footage. And, God, I hope nobody's there fishing. If there's nobody there fishing, I could check it out, see how puppy-proof it is. And I'm going to show you 2 spots I think are some of the greatest spots to fish at in Batesville, Indiana. Alright guys, we're going to close it out here. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below and I'll catch you in the next video. As soon as I get home tonight, I got to edit this one up so I can stay current on my videos. Till next time. Come on, let's get out of here.